Okay, welcome viewers. This is question and answer program on chapter 2 of international marketing. The direction is choose the best answer. The first question is, what is culture primarily composed of? A. Habits. B. Beliefs. C. Technology. D. Trade. The answer for this question is B. Beliefs. Which element of culture often cause translation issues in marketing? A. Art. B. Religion. C. Language. D. Politics. The answer for this question is C. Language. Question number 3. Religion impacts marketing by affecting dash. A. Factory design. B. Currency value. C. Product choice. D. Store layout. The answer for this question is C. Product choice. Question number 4. Cultural empathy can be developed through dash. A. Travel. B. Studying brands. C. Learning language. D. Reading ads. The answer for this question is C. Learning language. Question number 5. What is the major cultural barrier besides language? A. Roads. B. Non-verbal cues. C. Income level. D. Weather. The answer for this question is B. Non-verbal cues. Question number 6. Which group most directly influence family purchase behavior? A. Peers. B. Government. C. Family. D. Teachers. The answer for this question is C. Family. Question number 7. A product that failed due to cultural mismatch likely ignored dash. A. Shipping cost. B. Tariffs. C. Cultural analysis. B. Legal fees. The answer for this question is C. Cultural analysis. Question number 8. If a country has 5 up to 10 vacation days, it shows a focus on dash. A. Family. B. Work. C. Health. D. Travel. The answer for this question is B. Work. Question number 9. A marketer adjusts deodorant packaging by income group is issuing dash. A. Language adaptation. B. Economic integration. C. Product localization. D. Branding. The answer for this question is C. Product localization. Question number 10. What does ethnocentrism lead to in marketing? A. Cultural harmony. B. Standard pricing. C. Resistance to foreign ideas. D. Legal clarity. The answer for this question is C. Resistance to foreign aids. Question number 11. How does religion shape consumer behavior? A. By influencing GDP. B. By affecting taste. C. By shaping lifestyle. D. By raising taxes. The answer for this question is C. By shaping lifestyle. Question number 12. If a marketer ignores political risk, what could be the outcome? A. Price drops. B. Expropriation. C. More profit. D. Language success. The answer for this question is B. expropriation. Question number 13. A custom union differs from a free trade area by adding A. Currency union, B. Tariffs, C. Common external policy, D. Immigration law. The answer for this question is C. Common external policy. Question number 14. Why do some cultures resist innovation? A. Lack of trade, B. Weak profits, C. Cultural conflict, D. Cheap labor. The answer for this question is C. Cultural conflict. Question number 15. When should a firm cause cultural change rather than wait? A. When return on investment is stable, B. When change is urgent, C. When markets are closed, D. When risk is low. The answer for this question is B. When change is urgent. Question number 16. Choosing to lease instead of buy to reduce risk is an example of that. A. Branding, B. Legal compliance, C. Risk mitigation, D. Consumers focus. The answer for this question is C. Risk mitigation. Question number 17. If a country imposes quotas, it is practicing A. Export controls, B. Import controls, C. Tariff reduction, D. Trade embargo. The answer for this question is B. Import control. Question number 18. What might a marketer study to estimate purchasing power? A. Land size, B. GDP per capita, C. Religious beliefs, D. Education law. The answer for this question is B. GDP per capita. Question number 19. A company's local partner to reduce political tension is dash. A. Cutting costs, B. Causing change, C. Managing risk, D. Marketing globally. The answer for this question is managing risk, C. Question number 20. Design a strategy for entering a market with high cultural resistance. A. Delay entry, B. Use local firms, C. Launch global, D. Lower price volume. The answer for this question is B. Use local firms. This is all about chapter 2. Thank you viewers for attending this program.